Couponing with Tisa.
Hey, everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. Time to bring y'all the deals that's happening this week at Walgreens. Can you tell in the background where I am? I'm at Walgreens. Finally got a really good digital spin booster. I know, right? It's been a while. But I got a spend 20, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Woo woo! So definitely going to be picking up some goodies this week. I'm going to be rolling some register rewards as well that I have to help lessen my out of pocket because I was over my budget last week. And I'm not trying to be over my budget this week, okay? So we're going to roll those Walgreens register rewards to help lessen the out-of-pocket expense. So without further ado, let's head on into Walgreens and see what's popping this week.
The first deal we got going on this week at Walgreens is on the Dove body wash. As you can see, it is on sale this week for $7. And part of a deal, when you buy 2 of those select products, you'll get back a $4 register reward. Now, we did get a $3 digital coupon that we can use. And in the save that just came out today, we also have another $3 coupon. So it'll be $14 before any coupons are used. But we'll take off the $6 in coupons. That's going to leave us at $8. But we'll get back the $4 register reward. Leaves us at just $2 each, or just $4 for both of them. So $2 each or $4 together. That's a really good deal on some Dove body wash. Here's another decent deal if you really like Shea Moisture products. As you can see, they are on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. So say you pick up this bar of soap here at $7.49 or any of the products. You'll buy one, you'll get the other one half off. Plus, we have a $5 digital coupon that is attaching. Now, keep in mind, some of these products are cheaper online. So if you're interested in doing them as a pickup order, it may be a little bit cheaper out of pocket for you. But 2 of these together, the ones that are $7.49, buy one, get one half off, is going to bring your total to $11.24. But you'll get the $5 off. That leaves you at just $6.24 for both of them, which is not a bad deal, considering it's normally $7.49 just for one. Here's a deal on the Burt's Bees toothpaste. They are also part of that deal of the week. When you buy 2, you'll get back the $4 register reward. Now, unless you're planning to incorporate this with one of the other products as a part of the deal, and you want to get 2, you got to do it in a separate transaction, because remember, it's only going to give you that $4 register reward once. So you can pick up 2 of them. That'd be $8. There's a $3 off digital coupon off of 2 that will attach. That's going to take you down to $5. Get back the $4 register reward. Leaves them at just $1 or 50 cents. Another toothpaste deal is on the Crest products that are marked for $4. Again, same deal, part of that deal of the week. So got to do it in a separate transaction if you're planning to pick up 2 to get that $4 register reward. But you're going to look for the ones that's marked for $4. Pick up 2 of them. That'll be $8. Then use a $3 digital coupon off of 2. That's going to leave you at $5. You'll get the $4 register reward back. Going to leave you at just $1 or 50 cents for each one. Now, of course, you know Colgate got to compete. So you can either pick up this Colgate for the 2-in-1, or you can pick up the Colgate Max. Either one, or any of the ones that's marked for $2.99. But the deal is, when you pick up 2 of them, you're going to get back a $2 register reward. So you'll pick up 2, that'll be $5.98. There's a $2 digital coupon attaching to one, and another $1 digital coupon that's attaching to the other. So that's going to basically leave you at $3.99 to pay. Get back the $2 register reward, leaves it at $1.98 or 98 cents for each one. So that's a really, really great deal. There is another oral care deal on the Arm & Hammer. Now, this store isn't marked, but when I scan it in my app, they're coming up for $3.09 each for the complete care, the perio care, and the advanced white. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta. That'll make them just $1.09. So if you're still working towards any of your bonuses, or you want to hold your receipt until tomorrow when the midweek bonus starts, that's a good way to start getting ready to do your bonus deals on Ibotta. Here's a deal on some big razors. I would suggest picking up the ones at $6.79. At least that's the price in my store. Again, prices vary by wherever you are, but they're a part of a deal. When you buy one, you get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get back $2 in Walgreens cash. So picking up 2 of them, buy one, get one half off, makes them $10.19. But there's a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. So with the $4 off digital coupon off, plus the $2 in Walgreens cash that you'll receive, and in addition to that, there's a $2 rebate for them on Ibotta. That's going to leave your final cost after all the rebates and discounts at just $2.19 for both of them. So that's a really great deal for 2-pack of razors. Don't forget about the Scott products. They're priced at $5 each, but if you still have that $1.25 IVC coupon, you can apply it. It will go to both products, and there is a $1 digital that is applying to that Scott tissue as well. That's going to leave you at just $6.50 for both, or $3.25 each, which is a pretty decent deal. Plus you're going to load your receipt to Fetch Reward because Scott is one of the featured brands on Fetch. Well, the Viva paper towel deal has rolled back around. It is on sale this week for $4.99. No coupons, but if you have any register rewards that you can roll to use, then this is definitely a good deal to pick up for this week. Plus Viva is one of the featured brands on Fetch, so you'll get back some Fetch points as well. The Quilted Northern is on sale for $6.79 this week, and so is the Angel Soft. But here is the deal that you want to stock up on, you guys. That Walgreens brand again is on sale for $1.99. Definitely a good stock up price for some tissue. Here's another deal going on with the Puffs tissue. The 3-pack is on sale this week for $4.99. No coupon, but don't forget that Kleenex is one of the featured brands on Fetch Rewards, so check Fetch to see if you have any rebates available to you on there. The little Palmolives are on sale this week for $1.25. We have a 75-cent digital coupon that is applying to it. That'll make it just 50 cents. Again, these are really good, especially if you're going on vacation and you're going to be staying somewhere for an extended period of time, or you can put them in like little gift baskets. So another good deal to do. Purex products are on sale this week for $3.49. Not only are the beads on sale, but so is the laundry detergent, and so are the pods for $3.49. Now there is a separate digital coupon that's available for that's attaching to the 4-in-1 pod. Y'all, it's not attaching to the pods, it's attaching to the liquid detergent, and it seems it's only attaching to the ones that are 38 ounces. Plus there is a $1 rebate on Ibotta. So with that $1 digital coupon and that $1 rebate on Ibotta, it makes it just $1.49. But the pods, the little scent beads also have a $1 digital that's attaching to them. I'm going to go right beside it and talk about the Arm & Hammer that's on sale for $1.99 this week. The Odor Blast is $1.99. The 5-in-1 tabs are also $1.99. And the liquid detergent is also $1.99. Now, again, I would highly suggest you get either the Sensitive for 27 loads or the Clean Burst for 27 loads. The other ones have dropped in size, so I think those are the better deal. Another good detergent deal is going to be on Tide this week. The select ones are on sale for $5.49. That's inclusive of the pods as well, and there's some other products I'll show you guys, but I wanted to let you know that there are some digital coupons that are applying. Like this Tide detergent, I scanned this regular one and it's got a $2, a $1, and another $1 digital coupon that is attaching to it. And that $2 one is actually for the pods, but it was attaching. So if it comes off, then it'll be $3.49. If not, it'll be $4.49. But definitely for the pods, the $2 and another $1 one is attaching to that one. So a little weird, but you know what? We're going to take what we can get. Thank you, Walgreens. There is also a $1 digital that's attaching to the Bounce dryer sheets as well. So you can pick those up as a part of your deal this week as well. Also be on the lookout in your cleaning products to see if they've marked down, like the Lysol wipes. The Clorox wipes have been marked down. These Arm & Hammer wipes have been marked down. The Dawn has been marked down. And the Swiffer in my store have been marked down. So just make sure you're checking your cleaning products to see what may have been marked down in your stores. There's also a deal going on with buying gift cards. The AMC gift cards or the Cinemax gift cards Center Mark gift cards. When you pick up 2 of them, you'll get back a $5 Walgreens card. So you can pick up 2 of the Cinemax for $20, get back the $5. That's a good deal. Or you can pick up the AMCs as well at 15 each and get back the $5. Can't roll any cash rewards or anything. You have to pay for it out of pocket, but that's still a good deal to get the $5 back. All right, guys, so here is everything that I am going to pick up for my haul for this week. These are all things that I will use in my household. Plus, I have a ton of register rewards that I just want to go ahead and use because some of them are set to expire this week. Actually, on the 20th, but I just want to go ahead and use them because this is just a really good deal, especially to stock up on some paper products. So let's go ahead and check out and see how it all turns out. All right, y'all. So here is my receipt. The Dove, the Walgreens toilet paper, the Arm & Hammer, the Scott tissue. I forgot to include the Palmolive, so I had to do it in a separate transaction. All of my coupons came off no problem. I paid $3.46 before tax, $4.94 after tax. I got the registry reward, and I did get back the $5 in Walgreens cash. And then there's my receipt for the Palmolive. The 75-cent coupon came off, and I got back a cool penny for that one. So without any of the register rewards that I used, plus the rebates I got back, the 4 cents I got back on swag bucks for the body wash and the toilet tissue, plus the 222 points I got back on fetch rewards. That made my total $14.88 out of pocket, or $1.65 for each one. But those register rewards literally saved me. So I didn't pay as much out of pocket. So this was an absolute great haul. Definitely some good deals that's going on this week at Walgreens. So make sure you guys take advantage. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. And don't forget to follow me over on TikTok as well. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.